Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Tile Mart University. I'm Julee Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest flooring options on the market, luxury vinyl planks, or LVP for short. Not only is LVP durable and stylish, but it's also a game changer for DIYers looking to transform any space in their home on a budget. Okay, before we dive in, I am thrilled to welcome a very special guest, Missy. She's a passionate DIYer who recently took on the project of installing Tile Mart's Cyrus luxury vinyl planks, which I love, in her own home. And not only does she know firsthand how to do this, she's here to share her tips, tricks, and lessons that she's learned along the way. So thank you so much for joining us, Missy.
Thanks for having me. This is going to be fun.
It is. So Missy, what made you choose luxury vinyl planks over other flooring options to begin with?
I think the biggest draw was the waterproofness to them. I have three dogs, and you never know when an accident's going to happen. So that, and then the versatility of it, the color options, they're just, I like it in the ease of installing them. I've done other floors and a lot more labor intensive.
So Missy, tell us a little bit about where you actually installed your luxury vinyl floors. Was it your whole house or was it just a room?
No, it was the whole house.
Oh
so
my gosh.
Condo is like 900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, and the hallways.
Oh my
closets.
Gosh. And you did this all by yourself. That's amazing. I mean, I think you're really like living proof that if you put your mind to it, like you can do it. And they really are fairly easy to install, right?
Yeah, no, these are really, compared to other floorings, they are much easier, very forgiving.
Missy, you are so amazing. I am so impressed with the job that you did. I've seen the photos. It's absolutely stunning.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Depending on your project, vinyl may be the perfect fit. Let me break down why luxury vinyl plank has become a favorite among homeowners and designers alike. By the end of this episode, you'll be confident in choosing the right material for your next renovation. Durability that lasts. LVP is built to withstand everyday wear and tear, making it an excellent choice for high traffic areas like living rooms, kitchens, and hallways. It's scratch resistant, water resistant, and tough enough to handle pets, kids, and heavy furniture. It's stylish and versatile. One of the biggest reasons people love LVP is its ability to mimic the look of hardwood, stone, or tile, often so convincingly that you can't tell the difference. It's low maintenance and long lasting. Cleaning LVP is as simple as sweeping or mopping, thanks to its durable exterior and chemical resistance. Wood look without the risk. LVP has all the natural beauty of hardwood flooring, but why would you choose it instead of the real thing? Well, real hardwood flooring adds so much warmth and character to a room, but it also adds a lot of worry. For example, you wouldn't install real wood flooring in a bathroom. No matter how careful you are, that floor will get wet, and exposure to moisture can cause staining, warping, and that reduces a lifespan of traditional hardwood. LVP, on the other hand, is totally 100% waterproof, making it the perfect choice for bathrooms, mudrooms, laundry rooms, kitchens, and so much more. All-day comfort. Luxury vinyl has a softer feel than many other types of flooring. Tile Mart's LVP has an underlayer attached which absorbs some of the impact of your footsteps. DIY-friendly installation. LVP is incredibly easy to install, making it perfect for anyone looking to tackle a home improvement project on their own. Most LVP comes with a click and lock system that doesn't require heavy tools, glue, or nails. With a little patience and planning, you can install it yourself and save on professional installation costs. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or want to share your own flooring project, drop a comment below or email us at ask@tilemart.com. Who knows? Your project might be next to be featured in an upcoming episode. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest Tile Mart products and trends. Till next time, happy flooring. Bye for now.